In today's video, we'll discuss a very unique area of fire safety domain, that is training of fire officers. Fire officers are being trained at various levels like fire officer level 1, like fire officer level 2, fire officer level 3 and fire officer level 4. But all the contents, syllabus and training program is there only in the NFPA 1021. Maybe other areas are having their own training schedule and training contents. This is a very small NFPA and having nearly 42 pages altogether, and its chapter 4, 5, 6 and 7 are related with that levels respectively. We will go through and we will see what is there in NFPA 1021. If you are giving or getting training of fire officer at various level, then you must know what is being delivered or what I have to impart. And if you are knowing all that thing before joining the class, you will be able to understand easily and you can do more better at your workplace as a fire officer. And on the other side, if you are hiring an individual for your client or for your own organization, then what you will see in that individual as an fire officer. Basically, NFPA 1021 is telling us about 4 levels. Its chapter 4 is about fire officer level 1, that is mostly a supervisory level, but contents are more or less the same for other levels. And chapter 5, fire officer level 2, that is for the supervisory level in the field and also towards the managerial side. And then chapter 6, fire officer level 3, managerial and administrative level. And the chapter 7 tells us fire officer level 4. Things are same. Let's have a flying touch with all that levels. General prerequisite knowledge and general prerequisite skills. Human resource management, keep in mind. Then community and government relation. Then administration. After that, inspection and investigation, then emergency service delivery and health and safety. All these 7 areas are critical, but they demand their subdivisions, their documents, their procedures, their SOPs, their frequency, the timeline, and all are needed. But once a fire officer is knowing all that, he can communicate with the top management and he can bridge the gap with the lower subordinate level. And fire officer level 2 contents are the same. Here you can see, and again watch this video and you will see things are more or less the same, but the level of information and level of performance will be the different one. Here in 6.8, emergency management. Emergency management is the only special area where the fire officer level 3 is dealing with. But if a fire officer level 2 is competent enough, he may perform, but it is dedicatedly for the level 3. And then level 4, administration level, who sits with the top management, who call the consultants, who invite the designers and who work out assessment reports. He also make the policies, procedures and other SOPs and get approval from the top management. Training contents are the same like level 1, level 2 and level 3 of fire officers. Here we are having a bit comparison of all levels. You can see over here the contents are the same and different levels having the same contents, but the opportunities, the tasks and the appointments and the assignments will be the different. When we will go through one by one for every level, we will compare the difference, we will watch the difference. There are few related additional knowledge and areas which a fire officer must know. Even in the incident management system, he must be master. And the incident command system, its communication should be good, its leadership qualities must be good, and all the areas which are needed over here, they must be in a good form. Thank you very much.